What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Been a while since I posted a video, and the last couple were video game related. Well, I do have my super shirt on, link below to buy, but not a car video again. So kind of branching out into some more of my hobby stuff. I've been kind of having fun doing videos of other things and haven't been doing a ton of car shows. Still not a whole bunch going on with COVID and everything. So really the ones that have been happening, I've just been going and enjoying, not carrying my camera around with me. So today we're going to dig into some RC car stuff. Huge hobby of mine. I'll actually show you some of the boxes I have. I got tons of them. But recently made a purchase. We're going to do a little unboxing of this bad boy. So check it out. So yeah, mentioned some RC car stuff. Well, this wall, all RC cars. You can see, got a Clodbuster here, some Midnight Pumpkins in there. They're all pretty labeled. Avanti, Blackfoot, mostly vintage stuff. But yeah, stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna be going through those over time. You can keep up with that on rccarolina.com. That's the website where I'll be selling the ones I don't want and showcasing some of my better ones. For right now, let's dig into that other one. Alright, well, you're going to see more of the table than me, and I know that's upsetting to you guys, but let's get into the meat here. Ooh, let's not knock the table over, though. So I saw this actually on a TikTok video, believe it or not, and it looked pretty cool, and I just, impulse bought it. Got it off of a site or an app also. It's called banggood.com. It is a lot of stuff from overseas. Pretty inexpensive. I think I was $95, $96 all in, so not terrible. If you look at the top here, you can see some of the features it has. In order here, it's got the four-wheel drive, ready to run, headlights, battery, stabilizer, speed control, and tires. So hopefully we'll be able to do a quick run. I don't know if there's any real charge built into this, and I've been sitting on it for a little bit, so not sure. But there are, let's show you here, two different ones you can get. The green one and the white and brownish one. They all have a black base to them. So this is the one we have in this box. So let's check it out and see what's inside. Let's rip it open. All right, well, it's cardboard. Come on, buddy. Let's not rip anything here. There it goes. All right, I'm gonna toss the box itself to the side now. You'll see it right there. Oh, look how nice. So, well, that is pretty cool. About the size I was expecting. I mean, it is I think it's a 1/16 scale. You see that right there. So a little smaller than some of the 1/10 stuff I have. You might have seen some of it featured some of my stories on Instagram or whatever. But yeah, cool little truck. The details are pretty nice. Wheels and tires look pretty cool. Body's nice. Got the roll cage. So let's cut this baby out and see what we got. But first, there's a slot here. Let's see what's there. There's some running gear and stuff. What that is, looks like packaging. But yeah, this is all taped together. I'll make that a little nice and neat for you. But looks like you got the battery and the charger and everything in there and the radio right here. So let's take some of this out and see what it looks like. Alright, so took it out of the box. Pretty cool. One thing I didn't realize, I'll show you something in a second. These are kind of like street tires, I guess, all-terrain tires they call them. What I didn't realize was in that little package underneath that was taped shut, I did open, or at least I opened the cardboard, but if you look, it actually comes with a separate set of these harder slicks for the drifting. So that's pretty cool. So you can use it almost as a touring type of vehicle on regular surfaces like what I have out here in the garage. Or you can go ahead and turn it into a drift car by just swapping out the wheels and tires. And not even the wheels and tires, it's already a package deal. So that is kind of cool, not gonna lie. Looks like you have some tools here. A screwdriver, box wrench, some extra clips and stuff. So that's pretty neat. Little charger here. This looks like a simple charger. A lot of these smaller cars just come with some basic USB charger. I'll take it out of the bag so you can actually see it. Put the bag aside. But yeah, nothing special, just plugs into a USB. Either, we have outlets with USB directly built into it. We can pop it into there or just use a charging block. But yeah, pretty simple, straightforward, and they seem to work. So we'll put that aside as well. Let's pop out at least one of these and take a look at it. So different style wheel, you can see, so it kind of blacks it out a little bit, but this is definitely the hard plastic for the drifting, whereas you can hear that's the body bouncing, but kind of a softer type of rubber for the all-terrain versions. So we'll leave those on for now. However, when I'm sure I'll get out to the drift track one of these days, I'll bring it and we'll get some video there. But for now, let's look and see what's underneath this thing. Well, I went ahead and took the liberty of taking the clips off. I figured you didn't need to see that, but let's see what's underneath. Not lift too hard here because the headlights are attached. So you can see the headlight buckets in there. Pretty cool. Runs right to the speed controller with a separate connector. You have your battery connection here. This actually plugs it into your speed controller itself. Nice little motor. Pretty decent rebound on the suspension. I mean, I'm not going to really go off-roading with it or anything, but and then it looks like, what's this little puppy here? It looks like there's a little, yeah, that's kind of cool. Little taillight integrated in the bumper at the lower levels, almost like the BRZ and some of the Formula One style cars. I think some of the rally cars might have it too. So that's pretty cool. Looks pretty neat. There's another clip here holding in the battery. Let's go ahead and just pop that out. It swivels. Two connections here. One's, it's leading me to believe this is your speed controller connection, and then this looks like the connector that was on the back of the charger. So it just has two different leads. I'm not sure why they would do that. Possibly it is a LIPO battery, as you can see. So it could be just for, there we go. It could just be because of the way the charger balances it out. So it needs a different plug, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And it all comes ready to run. So it looks like the only thing we need to get this going, assuming there's some sort of charge in here, is going to be batteries for the receiver. So I'm going to just put that there for a second. And the receiver itself, I'm sorry, the controller. Controller's pretty cool. It's got some of the trim adjustments on the top. Looks like, what else you got there? You can reverse the settings and stuff. That's kind of standard stuff. Most of the stuff I have has that. I don't know if that's in focus there, but so that's pretty cool. Pistol grip, on, off, pretty standard stuff. 4 AA's. So let's grab 4 AA's and see if this thing will run, and maybe we can get a little bit of footage of it just kind of, at least in the garage, just running around on the ground. So see what it could do. Well, good news. There was battery left in it. Lights do work. I'm going to show you. It's pretty cool. You can see that. Headlights. Little taillight there. It's pretty cool. So these tires on this surface actually drift quite a bit. So we're going to just do a quick run, but I want to show you something real quick. So I took it out of the box real quick, and I did mess with it before I turned on the camera just to make sure it was charged. I'm like, why is this thing so slow? So watch, if you go, I'm like, oh, battery must be dead. You know, it's not really doing anything here. Then I noticed this. I don't know if you could see that on the camera. It's kind of hard with the black. There you go, maybe there. 3 notches there. Looked in the manual. I'm like, well, here's the on-off. Here's the channel select. What's this? Speed control. Watch this. Oh yeah, buddy. Now it comes to life. And as you can see, at the highest power, even with these rubber tires on the concrete surface, it's drifting. I'm sure outside it won't do it as much, but on the carpet surface, I put the hard plastic on. But yeah, this thing's got some giddy up, and this thing's been sitting in a box for like maybe a month now or so. So yeah, I don't even think it's probably more than halfway charged. But easy donuts, and this is all-wheel drive, remember. So, pretty freaking cool. For under $100 bucks, I mean, this thing's got some get up, and this is a blast. And if you want the kids to use it, you can turn down the speed, and be like, here you go, try it. You know, you can putz around. This is the lowest speed here. I'll just do a circle. Going to the middle speed. Ups the ante a little bit more. But you can see it doesn't really break loose that easy. I'm trying to. I mean, kind of, and if I whip on the brakes. But once you crank that thing at a high speed, but yeah, I'm impressed. So I'll go through my purchase history. I'll put the link below in case anybody's interested. But for under $100, lights work, LIPO battery, adjustable speed, so young and old can have fun with it, or young at heart, whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm really impressed. So thanks for watching the video. I'm going to start incorporating some more RC car stuff, and hopefully you guys like it.